because I'm working on my energy. Cleaning up, I'm taking care of myself and me.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hello, I'm Subrena. If you are not new to this, but you are true to this, welcome back for another video, fam. As always, it's super nice having you stop by. So today we are here with a everyday wig tutorial. Excuse Zoe, y'all know she's very disrespectful whenever I start filming. So I have actually been on the hunt for like the perfect everyday wig that can literally pass as my hair. So if that's what you were looking for, then honey, this is it. This tutorial is a no fuss tutorial. These are for the girls that do not want to learn how to slay nothing. You want to get your wig and you want to be able to apply it right out the box. The most you want to do, if anything, is dye the hair, you know, because it does come in like that natural brown color, and you know, that's not everyone's thing. But if you literally just want to get a wig right out the box, minimal, and when I say minimal, like literally minimal customization, this is the hair for you. So this is also a glueless install. There's no glue, there's no got to be spray, there's nothing. It's literally just a wig on my head. Yeah, we didn't bleach any knots, we didn't pluck, none of that. To find out more about this hair and the install, then just keep on watching.
Okay, you guys, so you will get your order in this cute LUVME hair box. In your box, you will get your wig in this organza drawstring bag. You also get a goodie bag, a comb, and the pamphlet that tells you all about your hair and how to care for it. So in the little goodie bags, they do always send some goodies. You have this gold silk satin scrunchie. You get a couple of bomb lashes in there. Some press-on nails if you're into that thing, a phone holder, and some earrings. And this is the hair. So it does come again in this bag. So I already took it out previously because I wanted to see if I truly needed to dye the hair. So it does come in this very natural brown black color. So I did decide to dye my hair jet black. And this is a construction. As you can see, the wig already comes with the elastic band sewn on. It comes with 4 combs, 2 on the side, 1 in the crown and 1 in the back, as well as drawstrings. And this hair comes to you guys already pre-bleached and pre-plucked. This hair is literally ready to go out the box. Look at that hairline, it's beautiful. So again, I did go ahead and dye my hair jet black using some Revlon color dye and natural blue black. And here I'm just going to show you guys how I styled the wig. I styled it on my mannequin head because it's just a lot easier that way. So I just went and like cleaned up the parting. I did stick with the middle part that it came in. And I'm going to put some heat protection on it and start to blow dry this hair. And just wanting to let you know, this whole closure, this is a 5x5 closure wig. No matter where you part it, you will have a natural part. I just wanted to stick that out there. It's not just the middle part that it came in. If you part it in a side part, the parting is just as like natural and even anywhere. So I'm using this wax stick and I'm using a hot comb to just flatten out the part. That definitely plays a big role in making sure that your wig looks flat too. It's not having any lumps or that risen look. You want it to be as flat as your natural hair would. So getting a hot comb is definitely key to making your wigs look natural. So now I'm going in and curling the hair. I was going for that effortless blowout look, so I'm just doing some loose curls with the flat iron, and I'm curling away from my face, or away from where my face would be depending on the side of hair that I'm curling. So this is what the wig looks like when it's all done and curled, and I just left the curls intact because I didn't want them to fall too fast. I did not put any holding spray or anything in it, so this is just the hair naturally holding the curls. So even though this hair does come pre-bleached, I just wanted to take it an extra step further because I wanted to do a glueless install, and I'm using this lace tint. This is my first time using this lace tint. I will say I will get another bottle that's a shade darker. I think that would actually be better for me, but this did the job still. So I sprayed that on and I did let it dry, and I also sprayed some Got to Be Glued Free spray over it just to make sure nothing transferred. So here I'm showing you what the lace looks like with the lace tint. Like literally, what knots? What knots? They weren't there before, but now it's just, if you want a glueless install, just having that lace match, second biggest tip I can give you to really get that flawless look. So yeah, invest in a lace tint if you don't want to bleach your knots. But with this wig, honestly, you didn't need it. I was just being extra. I was just being a little extra because I was excited. So as you can see, this wig fits so good. Like, I don't know what's going on. I guess like these wig companies finally get it, but all the wigs I've been getting lately fit perfectly. There's no extra wig in the back, none of that. Like, it literally fits perfectly. The air tabs fall right on top of where my ears is supposed to be. It's perfect. So here I'm going in with a razor tool and I'm cutting off the excess lace, and I'm using this because this is going to give a more natural look as well versus a straight across line. And I just use the scissors to take off the extra little tabs that's on the side. You want to make sure you get rid of that so you don't see it. And here I'm just gonna go ahead and do, you know, a couple wispy baby hairs just to pull it all together. If you're not a baby hair fan, as you can see, you don't need baby hairs. You literally can just go after that. So yeah, I'm just using some edge control and doing that really quick. But yeah, like as you guys can see, this whole install was so easy. I literally just put this wig on my head. This is a 10 out of 10 would recommend for beginners if you're a beginner wig person, wig wearer. It's late, you guys. I'm sorry. You're tired.
Okay guys, so this is the finished product of the wig and I'm loving it. I'm so in love with this wig because honestly I really have been on the hunt for like the perfect natural looking everyday wig, and honestly this looks like my hair. I'm pretty sure if I would have came on here and I would not have said anything to y'all would have thought this is my hair. Be honest. Yes, you would have. So let me go ahead and show you guys a full 360 what it's looking like. I absolutely love the length. It's perfect. And I really think if you are truly going for that very realistic, natural, everyday look, the length plays a huge factor. So this is 20 inches and honestly it's about the same length of my hair right now. So I feel like people who don't know, they would probably think this is my hair. But I loved how effortless this hair was. All I did was just dye it. You know, I did a little lace tint. This is my first time using it, but like that's a keeper, okay? I'm never ever bleaching knots again. But for this hair, you guys saw, you honestly didn't even need the lace tint because LUVME Hair did a perfect job of bleaching the knots and plucking. Like, the fact that I literally did not have to do anything to the lace, like no customization, and it's I know my baby hair is not trying to play me. This is what I get because I already know. I didn't lay it down. That's really what it is. But yeah, the fact like I didn't have to pluck anything and it's giving like this very natural hairline, they did that. This cap, the fit, perfect. I don't know if I was getting the wrong cap size. Maybe I thought my head was bigger than what it was before. And I've worked with LUVME Hair a few times. I feel like they just know more than I know. So I'm not sure if this is a small. I feel like this is a small because the way it's fitting, like this, you want to make sure you get the right cap size because that is going to make sure it's like to your to your skin and really gives you that melted look without you having to melt. If you want to be a little extra, you know, you can go ahead and melt, but baby, I see no reasons to, and I won't be. I literally want to put this wig on and go, and that's what I have. Honestly, like, I've reviewed a few wigs from LUVME Hair. I've never ever had a bad experience. I love LUVME Hair and they love me too. Again, super huge thank you to LUVME Hair for sponsoring today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Let me know what y'all think. I think this is literally the best I think wig slave that I've ever done, and to think that it's glueless, and I can't even take credit for that. Like, this hair looks so good and the application looks flawless because LUVME Hair did all of the hard work for me. Like, this is perfect. If you are a beginner, if you literally do not want to do any customization, you just want to put your hair on and go, this specific wig is it. I will leave all the links and any coupon codes that I have down below if you want to check that out. But yeah, girl, when y'all see me, and y'all gonna have to ask if this is my hair or not, because this is, I love this so much. Anyways, if there was anything that I did not answer in this tutorial or this, yeah, I was gonna say or this video, girl, let me know in the comments. You know, I always get back to you guys. Thanks again so much for watching another video. Definitely thumbs up if y'all are loving this, because y'all have to. Like, I did that. I ain't do nothing but put it on. Okay, LUVME Hair did that. I ain't do that. Thank you guys so much for watching another video, and I will see you guys next time. Bye, love.